Now the easiest way to fix eyeliner is to just go in with like some makeup remover, like this, okay, and then you can just take like a towel or something, or like a Q-tip, and just whoop, and that's the best way to get like a nice defined line. But I'm just gonna try to fix it on my own for now. Okay, so that's fairly even. Like, I'm not gonna complain. I don't think anyone's gonna be looking that closely. Now what you could do is also put it on the waterline if you wanted to, on the bottom. I don't really feel like doing that, so I'm not going to. But another way, kind of like spice up the colorful look, is to just grab some fake lashes, which is what I'm going to do right now, and apply them, and I'll just kind of like finish the look. So here I have some lashes. Let me get some glue, and we'll be good. We'll be good. Yeah, fake lashes are my enemy. Okay. And the most important thing to do when you're putting on fake lashes is to make sure that you've trimmed them to fit your eye, because I cannot tell you how many times I'll put on a fake lash and it's like, it's literally stabbing me in the eye because I didn't cut it, and it's the worst feeling ever. And especially when you're on a date or something, you're just like, it's so awful. Gosh. So yeah, anyways, just make sure that you're trimming the lashes to fit your eyes. Everyone's different, so just make sure that you do that. Okay, just gonna place some glue here. Yes, I'm using a makeup brush for this. Don't judge me. I'm pretty sure the glue, I can usually get the glue. Oh. Can usually get the glue out, so I don't really worry about it. Alright, now which side is which? Okay, I think this is, yeah. Alright. And also when you're doing lashes, you want to make sure that you just like let them like wait a second, and just for the glue to sort of dry so it's not just completely wet when you apply it, otherwise it's going to be a mess. And it's going to be so hard to get them to stick. So I'll just like blow on them for a second and just wait. Yeah. Now, one thing I do want to say is just like, there's a lot of like rules to makeup, but I think that for the most part it's just like a suggestion. When it comes to creativity, that is, like, people will say, oh, you shouldn't wear this color if you have like this eye color and hair color, and really you want to wear colors that complement you. And I'm just like, no, wear whatever you want. You just don't want to, like, as long as it doesn't hurt your skin, like, do whatever you want. Like, creativity, like, that's what makeup is all about, doing exactly as you please. So I would just encourage everyone out there to just like pursue that. And I'm not an expert, but I most certainly like to branch out and like try new things, and I think that's exactly what makeup is about. Okay, so I think I'm gonna apply my lashes now, and I don't have those little tweezers, I just kind of like go for it. It's probably a bad idea, but whatever. Okay, not bad. Shoot. I dropped it. Okay. Ooh. Eyelashes.